Hello everyone. So welcome back to my new YouTube channel, Startup X India. So basically, I have made or created this channel recently with a motive to share my journey of making the product rentable or like any uh, new venture I will start. I will share my learnings or my failures or my journey all together on this channel. So this channel is basically for coding, for through coding making the great products, ship them, learn from them, repeat the process, upload them to like the app store, play store, making web applications, making the mobile applications, and making the better things that something like really matters. So yep, so this YouTube channel I started with a uh, with this thing in my mind, startup extract. So uh, yep, so do follow this channel or subscribe if you want to be in the journey with me. So Rentable application is the application that I am currently working on. So this is basically a application that is to eliminate the middleman or the brokerage from in between the tenants and the owners or like the landlords. Yeah. So basically, we faced a few challenges in the past where like we were looking for some properties or like the room or flat or PG, but there are like a lot of uh, complications there. We couldn't find the listing or property in very quickly, despite like we are in the AI age, right? So we have everything in our fingertips in the mobile, right? In 10 minutes the groceries are delivered in the quick commerce, the right other things. So um, so we, with the motive of like why couldn't we we can list our properties on a platform where like the real tenants can look for these properties and connect to us directly, or like tenants can directly look for the properties or like the flat or PG or the room or apartment uh, through an app or like the scrolling through, and yep, in a fun way, right? So basically this is the concept of this application. So I have made this application so far. So I will walk you through like what all currently this application has the features, or like what all things have been built so far, and what all we will build together next, and like deploy it or like publish it, or like what all tech stacks we have used, or like yeah, what all the features or what all coding tools. So basically I have used the AI tools as well, like Claude Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Google Gemini, ChatGPT Codex. So I will let you know about like what all tool is basically working, what's for what specifically purpose, or like when they are beneficial or when they are not, what all things we should take care in mind while working with them, or up to what extent we should use them, right? So it's not basically about only making a product. It's basically about how to smartly use the AI tools or the tools all we have available uh, right now, and like how to better or like best utilize them, right? So yeah, so Rentable is also an like the experimental thing where we can utilize the tools to better like um, and do things in pace, or like in a what an ideal way at the current age. It's not about like writing the or typing like HTML, CSS and all these things. It's about like all the conceptual architectural things that you should be take care, and like yeah, and let the AI code and review and like the publish or like push them, and make sure like everything is working fine, do a round of QA and like other things. Yeah, so basically not to go in the so much details. So basically I will cover all these things in the upcoming videos, like all the technologies I have used in this application. So basically this application has a guest mode currently it is in. So user can walk through the listings there or the properties there, and if I click on the property it go to the detailed view. Like yeah, so there are the images that user can see, or like here are the name, deposit, security, location, property details, descriptions, etc, etc. Or like there is a chat with owner, but it is currently uh, in the guest mode, as I told you, like the connect with owner. Yep. So basically continue browsing. Let's continue browsing. Not create an account at this stage, but yeah, accounts creation is and all things working. So I can save this for the save as well. uh, the model is popped up. We have filters here, so we can filter the properties based on room, flat, PG, apartment, the price range with the slider to like make it more user intuitive. For the furnished, amenities and verified properties as well. For the room, for the flat, there is like BHK pops up. For the PG, there are PG preferences, boys, girls, or any. For the apartments like BHKs, etc. So yeah, so things are kept in mind while building this. We have three modes to view the listings there or the properties there, like the card view, two card view, and the list view. Yep. So do let me know which ever looks best to you. So yeah, it's just building things whatever comes in mind, and like yeah, and things checking like what works or what not works, what can be successful or what not, right? And we have added recently the most popular thing, like the short pipe basically. So on the basis of price, most viewed, relevant, and so I added this flag to like mm, track how many times a particular listing has been viewed, right? So if I click on the list, so it will basically have an mode where like yeah, user can like it pops up to like sign up and then create listings on their account, right? So same for the profile. So all the things, welcome to Rentable, sign up to unlock personalized features and save your favorite listing. So all these things are written here to save the favorite or to the chat or list properties, smart alerts, everything. Sign up and sign, free to use, no credit cards. Just to let you know. Yeah, so this is the currently, and there is the location selector as well, where like user can select the search radius. So basically my motive is to like just to let you know like what all things this application has. Like all other things this application already has, like if I log in or sign up and let you walk you through. But yeah, for the first video I want to like let you know like the application about, and my YouTube channel where I will post the journey about the product that whatever I am building, and whatever like there is a uh, for the coding best practices, or like the how to do a particular thing smartly, so and like the most efficient way we possibly know. So yeah, and so on the code level, told if I tell you like uh, so we have this is the code base, the Rentable, the backend, the marketing, and the mobile application. The mobile application contains all these applications code, and in the simulator it is working on the backend. It's supporting the listings here and the other things. So like if I show you the room, so the room, 8 properties of room will show up. If I choose flat, there are 10 properties found, and PG, all these things are working, and backend is supporting all these things. So backend is basically deployed to railway, but we'll get to details later. And the search is also working fine. If I search for sector, so the title which captures the sector, like top notch properties in sector, best apartment in the sector, yeah, so something like that. And the marketing side, so let me walk you through about the marketing side. So we have this marketing site here for this application, just to walk you through. Yeah, so the Rentable for owners, for like list properties for the, so basically this is the home page. Let me show you the home page here, listings. So basically this is a marketing site that told about what the application is all about, and it basically a mobile first application. So yep, so user can list the properties. So list properties, view dashboard, and all these things are that something are built and some are in progress and some are will be built in the phases. So yeah, it's all about. So if I do a logout here, yeah, so yeah, that's all I think for this video. But yeah, keep thank you for watching this till now, and grow and build the real product that actually means something, right? So thank you so much